Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one withdrawal proof of the website I shared with you in the past videos. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on the website, and let's get started. Okay, this is the website. I make two-time withdrawal from this website. This website pay me instantly to my wallet address, and this website pay you to do two wallet address, one for faucet pay, next one for coinbase. If you like to claim shiba coin, this will be pay you in your coinbase. Okay, if you like to earn other cryptocurrency like litecoin, bitcoin, any cryptocurrency you want, yeah, this will be pay you this much cryptocurrency to faucet pay. Okay, and I just want to claim shiba coin for right now. Just I want to this website pay me shiba coin to my coinbase, and the minimum withdrawal for the faucet pay is 100 beads, and for minimum withdrawal for coinbase is 2050. Okay, and you can earn from the short links, from the PTC hats, from this website. You can just watch the all short links available in here. You can make much more amount of the cryptocurrency from here too, and you can click claim. You can go to claim, and you can claim your faucet from here, and it's too easy to claim. Okay, and the next way is you can easily watch PTC ads. You can earn your free cryptocurrency just watching the PTC ads. Right now I share with you the withdrawal proof, no other talkings. Just I go to the main menu is a dashboard to show you the withdrawal proof. Okay, I choose I put my email address of the of the coinbase I want to claim shiba coin, and 2830 shiba coin. This will be pay me instantly to my coinbase. Just I click withdraw. This will be go to approvement for the admin. Okay, after approvement, this will be pay me my amount. I make much more withdrawal, two-time withdrawal from this website, but in this two-time I receive my withdrawal. Okay, just I go to okay, this is the history, short links, submit, speeds, forwards. I don't know where is the withdrawal history. Okay, this will be show me a message. Okay, if you reject for the payment, this account balance will be returned to your balance. Okay, about that, don't think about what about my amount, this will be pay me or not. I make withdrawal from this website. One time this website pay me in my coinbase, one time I make withdrawal to my faucet pay, and this is the second time I click for the withdrawal. Okay, and you can see this is the withdrawal. Okay, one time in express crypto I received for shiba coin, this 1 month ago. This another time for the I don't know which cryptocurrency. Okay, in here I didn't know what's the cryptocurrency. Maybe this is litecoin, and this is another withdrawal for the shiba coin. Okay, and this will be pay me in coinbase. This is the pending, and the last withdrawal is 3 weeks ago. And if this website pay me, this will be approvement, and this will be show you paid. Okay, and this website link available in description. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos, and this website link available in description. This website pay you instantly to your faucet pay, but for coinbase this will be take maybe 1 day to pay you. Okay, bye bye for now.